What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, is the 10th day of our Clickbank Make Money Online Challenge, where we are going to try to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic and starting from scratch. So today, guys, I'm going to show you everything, all the updates on the social media accounts that I've created, and also we're going to check if we got any clicks and also if we actually made any sales on this 10th day, which means that we only have 20 days to try and make money from Clickbank using 100% free traffic and starting from scratch as we started from the first day till now. So I'm going to show you guys the social media accounts, and I'm also going to show you all the updates of everything that's been happening on the account. And hopefully by the end of these 30 days, in the next 20 days, we are going to be able to make at least one sale and make our first sale using 100% free traffic from Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok free traffic. So the first thing from here, we're going to go right here. We're going to go right here to our account. So we're going to go to the dashboard from here. So let me just go to the dashboard from here. As you can see from here, we have not made any sale yet, but I'm very confident that hopefully by the end of these 30 days, we're going to make our first sale using 100% free traffic. So right now, as I show you guys in the other videos, we are still building our traffic. So our traffic is increasing every single day, and that is what is very important. As people are clicking on our links, we have more possibilities of going to make our first sale. So from today to the next 20 days, we are going to be putting a lot of work. We are going to be doing intensive work to try and make our first money in those remaining 20 days. So most of these 10 days was mostly setting up the accounts, and this next 20 days that is remaining, we are going to try as much as possible to get a lot of clicks and make money on our first money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic. And I'm going to show you guys everything I'm going to be doing behind the scenes so that you can know exactly what I'm doing, and hopefully we are going to make our first money by the end of these 30 days. So we'll go to the reporting. So let's see our stats from here, if we're getting any clicks at all. As you can see from here, these are the stats of yesterday, and you can see from here, yesterday we got 7 clicks from here. So as we're getting clicks right now, it's just a matter of time to go and make money. So we're going to try as much as possible to get a lot more clicks, because we need a lot more clicks to make money using this free traffic method from here. So we'll go, for example, right here to today. I'll go right to today and click on apply. You can see that today we have already gotten 2 clicks on our affiliate links. You can see 2 clicks on Mitolin affiliate link right here, and before tomorrow reaches, I'm sure this number is going to increase to at least 5 or 6 clicks. So you can check, for example, let's check, for example, the countries where this traffic is coming from. Let me go right here to click, for example, by country. And you can also check where the countries where it's coming from. You can see from here, you got 1 click from India. I can see you got another 1 click from the United States. So we're also getting some traffic already from top tier countries. So if I go back to yesterday, and let's see where our clicks were coming from. So I can see from here that we got 3 clicks from United States, and then all these other countries from here got 1 clicks. So that is very, very important, because most people that are going to buy this affiliate offers are going to be coming from top tier countries like United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, etc. So it's very good that we're always getting traffic from top tier countries such as the United States. So that's that. So let me show you guys the social media accounts, and I'm also going to show you guys the other accounts that I've started working on, so you can go and know exactly what I'm doing behind the scenes. So as I show you guys from here, this is the other accounts I created the other day. So let me show you guys the URL so you can go and also check this account and see exactly what I'm doing on those different accounts. So you can see from here, this is the second account that we created. So right now we have 4 Pinterest accounts, because I've just created 2 more Pinterest accounts and promoting our affiliate offer. So this is the second Pinterest account that we created. As you can see from here, I'm still posting contents right there consistently every single day. So let me show you guys the other accounts that I just created. You can see right here, this is the other Pinterest account that I just created, and you can see the URL, so you can go to these accounts and see exactly what I'm posting on those different accounts. So I've just started posting contents on it, and I'm going to be posting contents on it every single day. So let me show you guys the other accounts, the 4 accounts that we created. So this 4th account that I created from here. As you can see from here, I'm still posting contents as well on this brand new accounts, and you can see this is our link right here. So if anybody click on this, they're going to be taken to our landing page, and you can see from here, this is going to be pinned, because we are promoting, we are going to be tracking this to go to Pinterest, so that we're going to know where our traffic is coming from, and if we make a sale, we're going to know where our sales is coming from. So that is this, guys. So I'm also going to update you guys, because I'm going to create a lot more Pinterest accounts, because with Pinterest you can go and create a lot more accounts easily than on than on networks like on Instagram. So I'm going to create a lot more accounts, and I'm going to be posting consistently on those different accounts, and I'm also going to show you guys the accounts so that you can go and verify and see exactly what I'm doing and experimenting on those different accounts right here. So these are still getting views every single day, so I'm going to just create a lot more Pinterest accounts. So let me show you guys the other accounts right here. So this is the first account that I created. From here, as you can see, I'm still posting different contents on it every single day, and it's still getting views, and people are actually clicking and already going back to my affiliate offer. So this is the accounts. As I show you guys, if I reduce this, as I show you guys, this is the accounts right here, and I'm still posting content every single day. So right now we have up to 4 Pinterest accounts that is going to be driving a lot of traffic back to our affiliate offer. So that's it guys for the Pinterest. So let me show you guys the Instagram accounts right here. So these are Instagram accounts. So then these are other Instagram accounts right here. Let me open this. So I go right here. This is the other Instagram account I've created right here. So you can see from here, I'm still posting content as well on it consistently. I'm still posting every single day. So it's still getting views, but some days it doesn't get views. So I'm still posting consistently on this particular Instagram account. So I go, for example, to Reels. You're going to see that some still don't have views, and you can see that some are just recently posted and they're not having any views, but you can see some are getting few views and some are getting a lot more views than others. And all I'm going to do is that I'm going to stay consistent on this, because you're not just going to get views overnight. It's going to take some time before you start getting some good views and consistent views on your Instagram accounts. That's why I'm showing you guys realistically what to expect, because you're not going to create an Instagram account today and the next day you're going to get 1,000 views or get 1,000 clicks and start making money immediately. So yeah, it's going to take work and it's going to take time, and it's going to take the effort of doing this consistently to go and make money on Clickbank if you want to actually make money with free traffic. So that's why I'm showing you guys on this challenge what it takes for you to start making money on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, etc. using 100% free traffic, promoting affiliate offers on Clickbank, Digital 24, etc. You can go and use any network with these methods, and once you have an audience and start getting traffic to your offer and getting clicks, it's just a matter of time and you're going to make money. So this is the second Instagram account. From here, as you can see from here, I'm still posting consistently. As you can see, so the videos are not getting any views yet, but you can see that some of them are getting, for example, you can see this one is up to 147 views. And what I'm going to be doing from here is that I'm just going to be posting consistently, experimenting with different contents until I get a breakthrough video that is going to grow my account and is going to get me a lot more clicks and also help me make a lot more sales. And the good thing about this is that as you're posting consistently, you just need just one person to go and buy an affiliate offer for you to make your first sale on Clickbank. So as I show you guys in the other videos, we are already getting some few clicks from these two Instagram accounts already, and we are also getting clicks from Pinterest already and also from TikTok. So let me show you guys the TikTok accounts as well. So if you go right here to the TikTok accounts, you can see from here, you can see I'm still posting consistently every single day, and you can see from here I'm experimenting with different contents. You can see from here I'll go and download, for example, weight loss tips video and one weight loss recipe videos, and you can see from here, and I posted it right here. I've still put before and after weight loss videos as well, and you can see in the other videos, you can see that I've also posted different images. I've also posted workout videos, and I'm trying to find out what is going to work a lot more better on this particular account. As I show you guys, I'm just posting different contents, and all is that I'm just going to stay consistent until I find something that actually works and get me a lot of traffic and go viral right here. So all you're going to do is that to get started, you're going to post consistently. You're going to find out what is working, and when you see what is working, that's what you're going to post more of, and that's where you can go viral and get a lot of traffic and get clicks back to your affiliate offer. So it's not magic. If you're going to stay consistent on this, you're going to get traffic and you're going to make money. So the main goal here is to be consistent, because you're not consistent, you're going to give up before you actually get a big break that is going to help you start getting clicks and getting consistent sales. So that's it guys. So as I've shown you guys in this account, I'm going to be creating a lot more accounts on Pinterest, and I'm also going to be posting consistently on all of these accounts, and we're going to drive as much traffic as possible in this remaining 20 days, so that we are going to at least make our first sale in this remaining 20 days. So that's it guys. leave a like on this video and share so that others can also come and follow this challenge and see exactly what I'm doing and set up their own accounts, and as well going to be able to make some money using free traffic. So that's guys, subscribe and I'm going to see you in the next video.